everybody! Today we're going to be looking at the San Antonio Public Library catalog online. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to use the filter tool to narrow your search results. While many search engines have their own filter tools, the SAPL filter tool has unique features that makes it different from other tools you may have seen in the past. First, we need to go to the San Antonio Public Library website. You may search for the library using Google or another search engine, or you may go directly to the website. I am going to type in the web address www.mysapl.org. On the library homepage, you will see a gray search bar. The bar automatically defaults to our catalog, so we can go ahead and type in anything we want. You can use titles, authors, or key terms. Today, I will search for the title Pride and Prejudice. On the results page, you will see a filter tool on the left-hand side. At the top, this says Filter your results by. This tool features several headers. You can open and close these headers by clicking on the arrows. The web page has only the format header open by default. Above the format header, the first header says Available Now, and this filter allows you to narrow your search to a specific branch or online materials. This is handy because SAPL uses a floating collection, meaning that materials stay where you return them, regardless of where you checked them out. Next, you can filter materials by format. The format header has many subheaders, including books, audiobooks, movies and TV, music and sound, and accessible formats. You can check off as many boxes as you want to find multiple formats at the same time. The other headers below this are New at the Library, Titles I Can, Content, Audience, Form/genre, Topic, Regions, Author, Language, Published Date, Rating, Tags, and Reading Level. You can combine filters to look for more specific results. To demonstrate this, let's help Jessica navigate the filter tool. Jessica wants to read the most recent graphic novel adaptation of Pride and Prejudice. First, she needs to check off the graphic novel box under the Books subheader. This shows her 4 results compared to 103. Next, Jessica needs to open the Published Date header. The most recent was published in 2016. Oh, but the most recent one is in Spanish, and Jessica wants to read the graphic novel in English. She needs to refine her search. First, she can click the X to remove the 2016 filter. Then, she can check off the English box under the language header. Now, when Jessica returns to the Published Date header, she sees that the most recent book was published in 2014. To finalize her search, Jessica can view how many copies are currently available by opening the Available Now header. Only 1 copy is available, and it is currently located at the Landa Branch Library. Jessica can place it on hold to pick up at any branch, but that's another video for another day. Now you know how to use the filter tool to narrow your search results. This can help you find results, no matter how broad or specific your goal is.